Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So, welcome to Vet It's You YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to wish all the best to all the aspirants of the Duvasu Mathura entrance test. In this video, we will discuss about the free seats in BVSC and AH in Duvasu Mathura and its fees structure. So without any further ado, let's get started. As I already told you in my previous video, you can check it on my channel that the total seats available in UG program for BVSC and AH in Duvasu Mathura is about 80, and out of 80 seats only 36 seats are available for the open or free category. The free seats are the foremost preference of any aspirant applying in the college, and these seats are offered to them according to their merit. The admission to these free seats will be done via pre-veterinary entrance test conducted by the Duvasu Mathura every year. Now we will discuss about the fees structure of Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry in Duvasu Mathura. So at the time of the admission, the aspirants have to pay a sum of 11,650 rupees. This includes the several charges like student aid fund, admission fee, medical examination, and so and so. So you can just pause the video and read out the particulars that make the sum of 11,650 rupees at the time of admission. One important point to note down that the sum of 11,650 rupees is a one-time due, and you have to pay this only at the time of admission in a 5.5-year degree program. After this, the basic fees structure for the BVSC and AH UG program is about 32,750 rupees that you have to pay on the yearly basis. This basic amount of 32,750 rupees you have to pay for the professional first year, second year and third year. As I already told you that BVSC and AH is a 5.5-year degree program, and for the fourth professional year in this UG program you have to pay 49,100 rupees as a fee, because the fourth professional year comprises of 1.5-year term. Now the hostel fees structure in BVSC and AH UG program in Duvasu Mathura is as follow. First of all, for the professional first year, second year and third year in single seated room, students have to pay 4,000 rupees plus hostel maintenance of 2,500 plus common room charges of 200 and electricity charges of 3,000 plus extra charges as per the actual meter reading. And if the students are allotted for the double seated room, they have to pay the sum of 2,000 rupees plus hostel maintenance charges of 2,500 plus common room charges of 200 and electricity charges of 3,000 rupees plus extra charges as per the actual meter reading. Now the hostel fees structure for the fourth professional year, which comprises of 1.5-year term. If students are allotted for the single seated room, they have to pay the sum of 6,000 rupees plus hostel maintenance charges of 3,750 rupees plus common room charges of 300 rupees and electricity charges of 4,500 rupees plus extra charges as per the actual meter reading. Similarly, if they are allotted for the double seated room, they have to pay sum of 3,000 rupees plus hostel maintenance charges of 3,750 rupees plus common room charges of 300 rupees and electricity charges of 4,500 plus extra charges as per the actual meter reading. One important note that the allotment of the single and double seated room is subjected to the availability. If they are available, they can get single seated or the double seated room. Another important thing to note down is that the hostel allotment is as per the availability. If the rooms are vacant, then only the students can accommodate in the hostel. So the total fees for the first year BVSC and AH UG program will be 11,650 rupees plus 32,750 rupees, and then the total fees for the second and third year in BVSC and AH UG degree will be 32,750 rupees only. After that, the fourth year, which comprises of 1.5 year term, the total fees will be 49,100 rupees. The links for the PDF of the different fees structure will be in the description below. I think the queries related to the free seats in BVSC and AH and its fees structure are clear now. I hope you liked the video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel VET It's You, and don't forget to check down the comment section. Thanks for the watching.